Hey there, I'm Jeff with CreditCards.com. Today we're talking about business credit cards. We'll cover why you should consider getting one, what you need to qualify, and some tips and tricks for maximizing your business credit card. Probably the biggest thing is that you want to separate yourself personally from the legal entity. You should have separate bank accounts and also separate credit cards, and not to mention the fact that spending on a credit card is more secure than spending on a debit card. And it can help you to better manage your expenses, possibly stretch your payables, and to keep an eye on employee spending. In fact, a lot of these business credit cards will offer employee cards at no additional cost. So they can spend on the credit card, you can set different spending limits, and then you earn all the rewards for the spending of your employees. And what's nice with business credit cards is that the rewards are tailored towards things you're gonna spend your money on, like office supplies, travel, advertising, software, telephone services, internet, stuff like that, you will earn rewards on with your business credit card, which isn't often the case for personal credit cards. So the rewards can be better tailored to your business. So overall, I think there are a number of compelling reasons to get a business credit card if you can. We have a lot more information on our website. If you're watching on YouTube, I'll link our guide to the best corporate credit cards or the best business credit cards down below in the description. That's definitely worth checking out. Now let's cover what you need in order to qualify for a business credit card. I think the process is pretty simple. It's probably not as simple as qualifying for a personal credit card, but you can see the main steps here on the screen. You need a legal business entity like an LLC or an S Corp that's separate from you personally. You need a physical business address. You need a business phone number, a business email and website. You also need an employer identification number or EIN, and that's from the IRS and it's free. And it's also recommended to get a Dun & Bradstreet DUNS number, which is just another business identification number that lenders and other businesses can use to track your business. Once you have all of that done, you're ready to apply for a credit card. The one thing to keep in mind is that a lot of times, most of the time, in fact, for small business credit cards, they do require a personal guarantee. So you personally will be liable for the charges on the credit card if your business does not pay. Now, there are ways to get around having a personal guarantee. There are some credit cards that don't require it. Very select few do not require it. Or you can just build up credit for your business. You can actually build the business credit. That way you don't need the personal guarantee. And we have more information about that on our website as well. Now, once you're in good shape to apply for a credit card, in order to get the most out of that credit card, you want to make sure you get the right one, which makes a ton of sense. You should go to our website, look at our guide to the best business credit cards. We have all sorts of different recommendations for different situations, but you want to look at where most of your spending goes and then find a credit card that maximizes your rewards for that particular category. So let's say you travel a lot. You want a card that probably pays you more rewards for traveling, or also probably doesn't charge international transaction fees or foreign transaction fees. So you want to tailor your card to your spending habits. And I can go down the list, right? Let's say you spend a lot on advertising. Maybe you get a card that pays you more in advertising. You get it, but you want to go down the list and see which ones match up with your spending habits for your business. And if you can't find a credit card that is tailored to the different categories where you spend most of your money, it might even be best to just get a flat rate credit card where you earn 1 to 1.5%, maybe 2% on all transactions. And you also want to make sure that you look into the redemption options for those rewards. So if you build up all these rewards, you want to make sure that the different redemption options make sense for your business. Oftentimes, you can get a statement credit, maybe sometimes direct deposit, also gift cards. You want to make sure that the redemption options work for you as well. And the last thing that I would advise is that whichever issuer you're working with, whichever bank issues your credit card, you want to make sure they integrate with your accounting software. A lot of them will, but that's sort of the last thing you want to check up on. But that's just a quick overview of business credit cards. Hopefully you found the video helpful. If you're watching on YouTube, I hope I earned your thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, write us in the comments, find us on social media, or you can just search our website. We have all sorts of helpful articles on there as well. Have a great day.